YouTube. Alright, look, I can't help but notice that y'all still watch my videos, even though my views low. I see that it is people watching. Now, one thing I want to speak on is that I noticed my beard growth video is still accumulating views. Like, it's still growing. Like right now, it's probably getting viewed. So, I want to do an update on that video. And what I want to tell y'all is that derma rolling does not work. I'm not gonna lie, it don't work. It take too long for it to work. So like, honestly, let me show y'all something. I still got my derma roller. I haven't touched this in probably a year, probably since I made the video. So yeah, it don't work. Hair growth oil, I still got it. It does work. I give that. And then yeah, beard cream bomb. That's just to soften up your hair so that you won't have any breakage. But yeah, just a quick update, short video, letting y'all know, no, it doesn't work.